Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Blue Heaven Saj Dhaj Festive Makeup Kit for women, a 10-piece full face set perfect for medium skin tones. Let's dive right in. This pack includes an instant glow matte compact powder. It's lightweight and gives my skin a smooth finish. Next up is the Get Matte lipstick, such a gorgeous shade with a creamy texture that stays put for hours. The deep eyeliner is bold and precise, perfect for winged looks. I also love the eyebrow pencil. It defines my brows so naturally. Then there's the deep black kajal, super pigmented and no smudging even after a long day. The non-transfer matte lip color is another fave, vibrant and doesn't budge. The strawberry lip balm keeps my lips soft and hydrated, a total must-have. The mascara adds insane volume to my lashes, and the liquid foundation blends like a dream, giving me that flawless base. Oh, and the scrunchie, cute and functional. This kit is curated for festive vibes, but honestly it's great for everyday use too. The quality is top-notch, long-lasting wear, and vibrant colors, all made with premium ingredients. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a pro, this set has everything to create stunning looks from subtle to glam. I've been testing it out and I'm blown away by how versatile it is. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll do a full festive look using this kit. If you're loving this hit, that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.